What's going on today, guys? Today we're gonna go check out our 182. We're gonna go see about putting a new door seal gasket on it, and we're gonna see how bad the original door seal gasket is and see what it's gonna take, how much work's gonna have to go into it. So let's go check that out. All right, let's see what we got. Here's the pictorial diagram right here. Whoop. This is right side cabin door.
What's the fat side on the door? Turn it back. Fat side to the door.
Yep.
Well, there's the fat side, so it'll go like that right there. Well, this is way better than the other seal.
Is it?
Than the original. Yeah, it's gonna be a much better seal. Let's see how far we can make it.
Greg said you're just supposed to cut this stuff, and it was supposed to do both, he thought.
If we can do 2 laps, then it can.
Yeah,
Hold on to it, too.
Alright, I got it right here. Right here.
No, one door.
No.
One door.
Well, that stinks.
Not even close to being 2 doors.
No. No.
Well, this one, we'll do this one first then.
Yeah, this is the door that was the worst.
That's some good rubber right there. Fat side will go on like that. Fat side on the frame. Where's we got a gap somewhere. Is that it right there? Nope. Probably on the bottom somewhere.
Oh, that's not it. Well, there's
wow.
Yeah, I would say that would be our problem. Why it's not sealing very good. There's no gasket
They
there.
want the fat side on it. They want it on like that.
Is that going to stick onto that with all that rust on there?
That's glue. That's old,
Oh, that's glue.
That's old glue.
Okay.
So we'll soften that old glue up with some MEK. So let's. All the rest of the door is going to be like that. After you peel this off, it'll all look just like this.
Yeah.
So we'll get MEK and a rag and see what it's like after you try to clean this off, because that'll give you an idea what the rest of the door.
Okay. All right. Let's see. We got any methyl ethyl ketone? Methyl ethyl ketone.
Ooh, that's a big no. They're gonna be like, why didn't they just open the drawer?
We can't open the drawer because we have how much money worth of radios right here?
That's $8,000 right there. Just that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, $8,000 worth of GPSs and radios, or $10,000 worth of them.
It's
yeah,
old.
used.
This crap.
Yeah, Garmin 530.
$2, $1.50, 75 cents. Nobody wants that crap.
But everybody wants a Garmin 530.
For sure. Even upside down, they'll take it for $8 grand. Oh yeah. Oh, tool bag crash action over here.
Tool bag crash.
Yeah, I had it sitting on top here. It fell off, honestly. I rounded it.
Oh man.
I thought, where'd that come from?
Tool crash. All right, we got our MEK over here. We got a rag. We're gonna get some up here. I know you can't see that down there because it's too bright. It's all glue. Hardened up there. This is where parts of the bottom of the door seal are just gone. Door seal looks pretty rough. This stuff right here definitely causes cancer in California.
Carcinogen, flammable. Use caution. I'm sure it causes more than cancer. Yep,
Hey.
it'll for sure clean up.
Yep. How smooth? I mean, can we take a plastic scraper to it and
Yeah, I tell you what,
scrape that stuff off right
this
there?
pocket knife here is as dull as they get. Yeah, it'll. Once you soften it, it'll.
Oh, yeah.
You can make it roll up, about like silicone.
Yep. It does look like silicone right
It's just
there.
real sticky though. And it's 1300L Gorilla Snot. But we'll treat this before we add any 1300L back to it. I'll clean it up real good and treat it with some iodine and keep it from corroding anymore. There's just ever so slightly, I mean the tiniest bit of corrosion. Right there, pitting from corrosion.
Got you.
A little dark spot right there.
Yep.
So we'll go around and clean this
dark
thing
spot
up.
right there.
We'll make it like new when we're done.
Little dark spot is right there.
It still softens up. I guarantee you this has been here since '77. Only really seen about one layer of glue. Pretty consistent.
Yep, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through here. We're going to take off all the old seal. We're going to take off all the old glue with some methyl ethyl ketone. And after we get everything cleaned up and prepped, we're going to stick on our new gasket right there. And this thing will be able to seal out air and wind, and it'll be like a brand new airplane.
Brand new '77 model.
What are we doing right here?
Well, we're going to dissect this solder joint and unsolder it and solder the new battery pack in for this little old ELT here. Emergency location transmitter. Locator transmitter. It don't transmit your location, it's just a beacon. Pew, pew, pew.
We got the new battery pack right there. Solder that
Try not to
sucker
stick
in there.
this razor blade.
Yeah, don't stick that razor through your finger.
Oh, it would be so good.
Do what?
It would hurt so good. I scored it, so now we're just gonna
Pull it apart.
oh, got it.
All right.
Now we can unsolder that bad boy. Solder a new one in.
Got to plug it in, Justin.
Yeah, it makes a difference when you give it a little bit of power.
Got
There
the
is
juice
power, wonder working power.
in the blood of the lamb.
Tend the gun up a little. Old battery removed.
Melt that off.
Make sure this one's tinned up good. It's not. We're gonna add a little solder to this one, make him a little ready.
Our soldering gun gets kind of hot.
Yeah, it's unregulated. We take the governor off everything around here. And we're gonna tin these up. Make them want to stick a little better. Get on fire. Heat shrink on. Heat shrink on. Well, all the way down. We're gonna do the hardest one to get to first.
Got that one stuck?
I don't like it.
Hmm.
I'm gonna redo
No.
it. Looks like crap.
Yeah. It could be better.
Got some garbage in it too. We're gonna add a little more. Nice little ball on there. Let's try that again. Sufficient. This one a little better, easier to get to.
Yep. Most definitely.
Ouch.
Make it a little warm?
Yeah, just a little. I didn't like the angle of it there. Almost like this solder's contaminated or something. I don't like it. What, let's clean this off. Knock that solder off there. Heat this one up. I'm gonna pick him up and give him a little whack.
Get all of it off.
Knock that old solder off. We're gonna dunk him in the paste. Give him a little solder paste. Well, that figures. Too short. So we're gonna add a little solder paste to him. And he will go in the solder paste. Like so. We're gonna add a little more. Oh man. This is it. Yep. This time it's gonna be pretty. Oh, nope. Don't touch the black one. Yes, sir. And this one is now going to be good till June 2022 is when we're going to put in the logbook.
June 2022.
So you gotta be able to on ELT tell the expiration date by just looking at the outside of the ELT. So the ELTs give you this fancy little sticker. That one ain't gonna come off nicely. We're gonna stick this over the top of it. They're really sticky little stickers. Completely cover up the old one. Well, now that little ELT, anybody can look in that airplane now and tell.
Takes a minute. There it goes.
Anybody can just simply look back there at that ELT, not have to take it apart and look at the battery pack.
Expires June 2022.
All the battery packs have them on them too. But you don't want to take this sucker apart.
Oh yeah.
Just to see the expiration date.
June 22.
So put a sticker on the outside. You'll know exactly when it's due. Big antenna fighting me. We'll lay that down. We'll tuck our extra wires in there nice and gently like. Everybody's got gentle curve to them. Nobody touching nothing funny. Lid back on.
Just like that.
But it's 5 minutes after the hour.
5 minutes after the hour.
Any hour you choose.
We're gonna tune the radio to 121.5 emergency frequency.
Not this radio.
Oh no, was our radio dead?
Yeah, but we got another one.
There, we got a radio on the 182, and then we got another one over here. Yeah, we got two of them over here.
Power, well, old ICOM is mad too, so we're gonna power this sucker here up. Yeah, emergency mode. And we're gonna test. It works.
All right.
So the G switch, we always test it too. I tested all this at the hangar, but it ought to still work. But we're gonna give it a, like you're riding an airplane. I'll see if I can do it this way. And it hits that little toggle, and you just turn it off.
It works.
So if you crash, just set it off.
Yep.
I'll leave them out.
All right, so we decided that we're gonna go ahead and wait till Saturday to work on the door seal gasket for the 182. And it'll give us some more time. It's gonna take a couple hours to get everything off. So we'll just wait till then to do that. New gauge.
Put a new voltmeter in.
All right. Well, next time we'll see about doing the door seal gasket, and we'll see y'all later. See ya.